Hello everyone, my name is Natalie Acton and the ad I've chosen to work with is an ad from REI. I've entitled it the Play Outdoors ad campaign. As you can see, there's an outdoorsman here and it goes along with the slogan of the company for those who love to get outside and play. So let's take a look at the original ad and some of the design elements. The first thing that stood out to me was the contrast of the white lettering against the blue of the water as well as the blue of the sky. I felt like that really helped the lettering pop and made it easy to read. It also brought the ad together with some of the natural elements that we find here in the photograph with the white of the snow. In this ad, there's repetition between the white type and the logo here, and the white that's used in the logo. I felt like that really helped to tie things together nicely. In this ad, they've chosen to use a right justified alignment here with their text, and it's wrapping around the photo which is located in the left of this ad. The element of proximity is used here at the bottom where we've got the company's slogan next to the logo. And I feel like this really ties things together for the company and helps to get their idea of what they're about out to their customers. The typography is a bold slab serif type, and that helps again to bring the lettering out and to emphasize that they are not going into work today, they are going to play outdoors. So let's take a look at the ad that I created. I chose this ad with the rock climber to go along with the outdoor theme, and here we've got the contrast with the blue of the sky and the white lettering. I tied in the repetition once again, the white lettering with the white that's used in the company's logo and along with their slogan here at the bottom. We used a right justified alignment with the text and had it wrap around this rock and the rock climber here that is towards the left of the ad. We kept the proximity that is down here at the bottom with the company's slogan and their logo here at the bottom of the ad. Once again, tying that all together for one idea of the company to reach their customers, those who want to be outside and enjoy the outside. I used a slab serif. I used Rockwell Bold in this advertisement and felt like it matched the lettering that was in the original ad and made the relationship between the two advertisements feel seamless. That is the end of my presentation, the outdoors ad campaign for REI. Thank you for watching.